Welcome back to week 7 of becoming a profitable trader. Markets just opened. It is Tuesday. Yesterday was a bank holiday. Let's get right into it. Sorry, my chart looks kind of disgusting right now. When I was on my trip a week ago, my chart reset for some reason, and I have not changed it yet. Just looking at the chart right now, we're pretty bullish. Already swept Asia highs, and now we're going for London highs. So, my daily bias is honestly pretty bullish because if you look at the hourly here, we have just these lows up here. Look at all these lows right here, or highs, stacked highs. That's, you know what that is? Money, money, money. And then there's these gaps up here too. Like there's this 4-hour gap. So, honestly, probably gonna look for a continuation here because we did just open up this 5 minutes fair value gap right here. Yeah, sorry, my chart is hideous right now. This is terrible. So this is what we're looking out for. I will update you guys if we take anything. Okay. Might be a change of plans depending on how we react off this 5 minute fair value gap because we could take a PDI short because we did close below, or might close below this 5 minute gap. And if we do, we could take short to the downside because we have this low resistance liquidity below. We could have probably maybe entered off this 4 minute above it, but I was really looking for continuation longs because we didn't take out low London highs or Asia highs, so we'll see what happens. I want to go long here, but I don't really like this setup that much because we're currently in this 5 minute and we could, see a reaction from that to the downside and then for a continuation for more shorts. I just don't really see this going any lower. I don't know. It's hard. See, these are the trades that I'm like confused in because it's like there's so many different options that can happen. Like, yeah, just know now we can look for continuation shorts. We could take a short right here to the downside. Yeah, we're seeing good displacement here. Yeah, if we see a close below, we'll take this inverse. Okay, we need some pushback up for us to hop in this because this is ridiculous. All right, we are in shorts. Yeah, I like this setup. Inverse this 2 minute gap right here. Waited for it to come back up and got a pretty good entry, to be honest. So where do we go break even? That's the thing. There's no really place to go break even here, so we're probably just gonna have to let it ride until we're positive that, or confident that it's not gonna go back up. Or if we see choppy price action down here, that's kind of our main goal right now. I have my stop kind of resting in this fair value gap, kind of. It's kind of at this intermediate high inside the fair value gap for a pretty solid 1-to-1. Don't mind that at all. Looks like we might hit TP right here. Spoke too soon. Oh, geez. Oh, my God. This went all the way back up. We're going to move our stop lower. No, I'm confident in this. This is still looking, pretty decent. We're just not seeing the displacement to the downside that I would want to see. Our TP's not even in a bad spot either. See what happens though. Oh no. Break even. That's fine. We made $1.90. Okay, break even trade. I mean, that's fine. I think honestly it was a really good trade. So we'll see if we can find anything else, but probably not. Probably just gonna hop off the charts. It's Friday. We're pretty bullish on the day. Because if you look at where does price want to go? Where does price want to go? We just took out all of this low resistance liquidity, equal lows. I mean, so much. Look at this low resistance up top. And then there's 1 hour gap, 1 hour gap, 1 hour gap. Now we just have to find an entry. So we're going to have to probably wait for continuation of some sort, unless we get a resweep. That's why I don't enter right now, because I feel like every time I enter right now, we resweep. And then every time we don't resweep, and we just... So we're going to wait, though. We're going to wait. Yeah, our main target is this unmitigated 1 hour above. And then all this low resistance liquidity. So if we can get like a continuation or even a resweep of something here, that'd be good. Well, market did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Took out all these 1 hours, and it's coming right for all this buy side. But there was literally the only entry was down here. I think this was the only entry. I like wanted to take continuation longs, but we didn't. Never tapped into a 5 minute. That is a wrap on week 7. Friday, we ended up taking one trade and ended up taking $100 loss. Should not have taken the trade. Did not record it. I shouldn't have taken it. It was a ridiculous trade. I was just trying to catch a continuation, but my stop loss was way too close, so should never have taken it. Learn from our mistakes. So that's 1 loss and 2 break evens on the week. Probably could have turned the break evens into wins if we I don't know. One was a good break even. One of them, I think we were just getting greedy and we didn't really target a 1-to-1. So that's our fault completely. But we learn and we get better for next week. So we'll see you then.